let's move on to the next activity now, that is activity 6.8. To prove that the reaction between vinegar and baking soda is a chemical change. Now we come to a different reaction. We have seen already two reactions. Okay, one was the reaction of magnesium ribbon, one was the reaction between iron and copper sulfate. Now we come to the next reaction, that is between vinegar and baking soda. Now what do you need? You need vinegar, you need baking soda, you need lime water and test tube. Okay, so now vinegar, baking soda, all of you are familiar. What is vinegar? Okay, you have vinegar in the kitchen, baking soda also you have in the kitchen. Lime water is not lemon water. Okay, lime in Assamese it is called soon. Okay, so that soon, when you mix it in water, you will get a white solution, that is called lime water. And I was talking about calcium hydroxide, do you remember? So this lime water, the chemical name of lime water is calcium hydroxide. Okay, it is called calcium hydroxide. So now, and you need a test tube. So let's see. Procedure: take about a teaspoonful of vinegar in a test tube. So you take a test tube, you take 1 spoon of vinegar on the test tube. Add a pinch of baking soda to it. So on that vinegar solution, what you should add now? You should add a pinch of baking soda. You would hear a hissing sound and see bubbles of a gas coming out. Surprisingly, what kind of reaction you will see, I'll tell you. You take vinegar, no? So when you put 1 pinch of baking soda, you will see bubbles of a gas coming and the solution rising. It is like soda water. So suppose you drink any kind of cold drink, suppose Coca-Cola, okay? So when you open the bottle of Coca-Cola, you will find a kind of a bubbles rising out of the solution. Can you see? Bubbles, and you get a hissing sound, a fizz sound you will hear, and the bubbles coming out of the solution as if the solution will come out now. Have you seen that? So that is nothing but what? Carbon dioxide gas, isn't it? So the same thing you are going to observe here. So when you take vinegar and you add just a pinch, you can try this at home also. All of you have vinegar and baking soda, I think, at home. So you just take some vinegar, put 1 pinch of baking soda, you will see a kind of bubbles of gas coming out and a hissing sound you will hear. Okay. Pass this gas through freshly prepared lime water. So now this gas, you need to pass it through lime water. Okay. Right? So you will get carbon dioxide gas actually. The thing that comes out, the hissing sound you will hear because of the carbon dioxide gas getting released when you mix vinegar with baking soda. So that carbon dioxide gas you need to pass through lime water. Lime water means the solution of soon and water, as I told you. So that will be a transparent solution, a white transparent solution. But once you pass that carbon dioxide gas through lime water, you will find it will become completely cloudy, white cloudy. It will become like a milky solution. Okay. So observation, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, calcium carbonate is formed. So calcium carbonate will be the new substance that is formed. Okay. So because calcium carbonate is formed, which makes the lime water milky. So lime water, when you mix soon in water, you can try it out at home, those who have. So if you mix soon with water, then you will find that the solution is kind of translucent. Not exactly transparent, but translucent. But once you pass carbon dioxide gas through that solution, you will find that the solution now will become milky. It will become completely milky. It will not be translucent. It will become completely opaque and milky. Okay. So why it will become milky? Due to the formation of calcium carbonate once you pass carbon dioxide gas in lime water. Okay. So the turning of lime water into milky is a standard test of carbon dioxide. That means if you pass any other gas through lime water, it will not become milky. If you pass hydrogen gas, if you pass chlorine gas, if you pass nitrogen gas, okay, it is not going to become milky. Or even if you pass oxygen gas, it will not become milky. Only if you pass carbon dioxide gas through lime water, then only it is going to become milky. So the turning of lime water into milky is definitely a standard test of carbon dioxide. That means if the lime water is becoming milky, definitely the gas that is going inside the lime water should be carbon dioxide. Okay. So now let's see the reaction. So when you mix vinegar is called acetic acid. In scientific name, it is called acetic acid. Plus baking soda. So vinegar is an acid actually, but it is a weak acid, not a strong acid. Okay. Plus baking soda. The chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate. or it is called sodium bicarbonate, Bi. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So when you mix vinegar and baking soda, what do you get? Carbon dioxide gas. And some other substances will also be formed, but mainly you get carbon dioxide gas. Okay. Now this carbon dioxide gas, when you mix in lime water or when you pass it in lime water is calcium hydroxide, as I told you. Since OH group is there, what it should be? Definitely it is a base, because there you have the OH group. Okay, so magnesium hydroxide also, if you remember, it was MgOH2. So whenever this OH group is there, it definitely has to be a base. Okay, so carbon dioxide plus lime water, when you mix, what do you get? Calcium carbonate. Because this calcium carbonate is formed, that is why the lime water turns milky. Okay, and you get water. So here the 2 has to be down, here also 2 has to be down, 3 has to be down, and 2 here has to be down, because this is PowerPoint. So it is little difficult, but you have the same reaction in your textbook also. You write from there. Okay, is it clear? So now conclusion, thus we can conclude that the reaction between vinegar and baking soda is a chemical change, isn't it? It has to be definitely a chemical change. Yes, so this is the reaction. So this is actually the setup. Okay, this is the setup. In lab you have this setup, but now I cannot show you. So now in this test tube, what do you have? You have vinegar and baking soda. You have some teaspoonfuls of vinegar and some pinch of baking soda here. So whenever you mix, what gas is formed? Carbon dioxide gas. Now this carbon dioxide gas, can you see this pipe? Okay, this is called the bent tube or glass delivery tube. So from here, the gas will come and it will go into this solution. What is this? This is the lime water. So once the gas will pass through here and it will go into this solution, you will see the lime water gradually will become milky. Okay, it will become milky, the color of the solution will change. Okay, so once the color of the solution changes, it will now become calcium carbonate. That means from calcium hydroxide, it will now become calcium carbonate. Is it clear? So this was the first reaction. That means vinegar and baking soda, when you mix, carbon dioxide gas comes out. That hissing sound you will hear, the fizz sound. The same fizz sound you will hear when you open a Coca-Cola bottle, a new bottle. Okay? As if the gas tends to come out. That is also carbon dioxide. So the same thing. So this carbon dioxide gas will pass through this bent tube and it will mix with the lime water, that is calcium hydroxide. And what will happen to this lime water? It will become milky. Okay, why it will become milky? Because carbon dioxide gas is passing through it, and now this will become calcium carbonate. Is it clear? So this is the entire reaction. I hope it is clear to you. I'll give you some YouTube videos. I'll find out and I'll give it to you, so that please go through them. Then only it will become clear. Okay, don't just sit without watching the YouTube videos that I give. Please go through each and every video. Then only the things will become clear, because now it is not possible for me to explain each and everything, isn't it? But still I am trying to explain everything. So it is my utmost request, all of you, please go through the YouTube video. Okay, thank you all of you. Have a nice day. We'll continue with the explanation in the coming classes. Thank you.